Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into Power BI and want to measure your business's momentum, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to calculate your month-over-month growth, or MOM, right inside Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly spot your monthly trends and make smarter, data-driven decisions. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up Power BI. I'm using a simple sample table for this demo. If you're following along with your own data, no worries, just make sure you have a table with sales numbers and an associated date column. That'll make things much slicker. To calculate month-over-month growth, we first need to understand what numbers we're comparing: the total sales for the current month and the total sales from the previous month. This comparison is super important. It helps you see if you're moving forward, standing still, or slipping back month after month. It's kind of like tracking your fitness progress. You need to know what you did last time to see if you're improving. Here, how we'll do it. Over in your Fields pane, right-click on the table where your sales data lives. Select New Measure. This is where we're going to create a formula that calculates your total sales for each month. Type in or paste this formula: total sales equals sum sales amount. This measure adds up all the sales amounts, and it's a building block for what comes next. Now we need to figure out sales for the previous month. We'll make a new measure for that too. Right-click again, select New Measure, and this time paste. Sales last month equals calculate total sales date minus 1 month. What this does is look at your total sales but shifts the date back by 1 month, giving you the sales figure from the previous month. Think of it as Power by checking your records and grabbing last month's stats for you automatically. Next up, let's actually calculate the month-over-month percent change itself. Once again, hit New Measure and enter. MOM percent change equals divide total sales, sales last month, 0. This formula works out the difference between this month's and last month's total sales, then divides that difference by last month's total sales. The result, you get a percentage that's really easy to interpret. A positive value means you grew, a negative value means you shrank. After you've added all three measures, we need to make that MOM number pop visually. Select your MOM percent change measure, then in the formatting options, switch its format to percentage. It's a small step, but it makes reading your growth rate so much clearer, and you'll avoid confusion between raw numbers and percentages. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you can see at a glance how your performance changes month by month in Power BI. Take a moment to play with your data. You'll be amazed at the insights you can uncover this way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more Power BI tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.